Hello programmers, let's assume you have a requirements containing only unique elements. That means it won't allow duplicate elements and maintaining insertion order. So for that kind of requirements, you can go for the linked hash set. So set means it won't allow duplicate elements. So here we are using linked hash set. So parallel it will be maintain the insertion order. So I will be show you with the help of an example. So I will be use list interface. So data type is string, something set is equal to, here we will be use linked hash like this. So let's say my set containing few records like this. So here I will be make it to see here these two are the duplicates, right? So set automatically it will be removed. Here we are using linked hash, so it maintains parallel insertion order also. Let's say I will be make it as a duplicate, then I will be make it as a 3 here, same like here I will be make it as a 4, right? See, we have a duplicate elements we have. Now our intention is we need to maintain the insertion order also. So let's say I will print here, right? So now my intention is it won't allow the duplicate elements. See, it won't allow the duplicate elements and maintain the insertion order. Let me execute this program. Yeah, see, 1 2 3 4, right? That means it is not allowing the duplicates and it is maintaining the insertion order. For suppose if you already if you already have a one list, so then how you can proceed further? So for that what we can do is I already created for that program. See, here my list is already it is there, so it is containing some duplicate elements. So my intention is I want to remove those duplicate elements, then I need to maintain the insertion order. So what I did is, so this list reference I passed here, that means liquid hash set is there, right? So here I passed, so that means one collection I passed here. So then I am printing here that list. That means what it internally does is it will be remove the duplicate elements and maintain the insertion order. Let me execute. See, this is our original list, so it is contains some duplicate elements. So this is our linked hash set. See, it is removing the duplicate elements and maintaining the insertion order. So if you have that kind of requirement, you can go for the linked hash set. Thanks for watching.